Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use this support item. This is very useful support item, especially in hard event like Super Battle Road. And for your information, this video is for beginner only that's new to this game. So use this whiz. Damage receive reduced by 40% for 2 turns. So it so useful and impactful to the hard event like Super Battle World. Let's get started. Use this damage reduction. As you can see, the defense is quite low right now. This one defense 100. In this Super Battle World, you have to tacticful and use the tactic who will become the slot 1, slot 2, and the floater. Let's tap this one. Damage receive reduced by 40% for 2 turns only. So you can build up your unit first and make sure your unit don't die easily. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.